Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, let me show you how to top up Steam using your GCash. Hi everyone, so if you want to top up your Steam account for funds using GCash, then here's how to do it. So you want to open your Steam. After that, you want to go this one right here, tap in, go to your account details. After that, you'll see the add funds to your Steam wallet. Go and press that, and then you want to add funds. So the minimum fund level is 200. So if you want some like 400,000, you just want to tap in that. And let's say, for example, we want to add some 200, and then there will be a payment method. So you just want to click on that, and there's Gcash option right there. After that, so you want to please your set your store region preference. So you want to continue, and then it will let you agree to the terms and go to Smart to Pay, and then ensure that your GCash number will be presented, and then also that your account has a sufficient balance in order to pay this 200 peso right here. That's all on how to top up Steam using GCash.